Hello everyone, welcome to today's new book. Today we are reading a book called Katie Wu's Neighborhood, The Best Baker. So come on, let's read it together. Chapter 1, Great Bakers. Katie and her friends were eating cookies after school. I am a great baker, said Haley. Me too, said Katie. Are you sure? Katie's mom asked. When you made chocolate cupcakes, they came out hard and salty. Uh-oh, said Katie. That's true. I made a birthday cake for my sister, said Haley, but it fell apart. What a mess. Katie's mom asked. Haley, doesn't your uncle own a bakery? Yes, said Haley. He works very hard. I'll ask him if he can teach us how to bake. Surprise! Haley's uncle said he would show them. Chapter 2, Sweet Dreams Bakery. On Saturday, Haley's uncle Harry O'Hara met them with a big smile and 2 aprons. Welcome to my Sweet Dreams Bakery, he said. Uncle Harry's kitchen was neat and clean. His cupcake and cake pans were lined up in a row. Mom would love this, Katie said. I'll show you how to make chocolate cupcakes, said Uncle Harry. Then I will make a birthday cake. Yum, said Haley. I'll say, said Katie. Here is my cupcake recipe, said Uncle Harry. It lists all the ingredients. See how carefully I measured them. Katie said, Oops, when I made cupcakes, I just added lots of salt and chocolate powder. Not a good idea, said Uncle Harry. Katie and Haley helped pour the batter into frilly cupcake cups. Try not to spill any, said Uncle Harry. Bakers hate messes. I am setting the oven to the perfect temperature for cupcakes, said Uncle Harry. I also set a timer so I know when the cupcakes are ready. Now I need to bake a birthday cake, said Uncle Harry. Miss Malik ordered a big one to surprise her husband. Uncle Harry sifted the flour. Then he added eggs and milk and other ingredients. He mixed them together. Haley said, Now I see the mistake I made baking my cake. I didn't mix my ingredients well. That's why my cake fell apart. Chapter 3, Happy Bakers. After the cupcakes and cakes were baked, it was time for frosting. This is the most fun, said Katie. I love licking the spoon. Uncle Harry began yawning. I was baking all night, he explained. Bakers work long hours. I'll say, said Katie. Thank you for showing us how to bake, said Katie. From now on, I will measure well and I will mix well, said Haley. Katie's cupcakes came out just right. She brought them to Jojo and Pedro. They loved them. Haley's next cake was also perfect. It made her 5 brothers and sisters very happy. But Harry O'Hara was the happiest person of all. Why? Because he loved his work and so did everyone else. I hope you like the story. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe my channel for more stories. Bye bye.